I'm super excited with this lunchtime visit. Sandhya's place is kind of famous in Mysore. You want me to say something?
Yes.
Yeah. Namaskara. Sandhya's house, Gay Ban DDV. The lady's doing chapatis out the back there. How are you? Nice to meet you.
I started in 1998.
What was the idea of the food? Were you trying to?
This is like yogic food. I'm
Okay.
serving yogic food.
So yogic food would be healthy, sort of like cleansing
no,
food.
No onion and no garlic.
Ah.
This kind of not spicy.
Is there a reason for no onion, no garlic? Is that?
It is like they call it Satvik.
So we're here really to try to explore the food culture of Karnataka and South India, and so I'm always interested looking at how things are prepared and things. It's a beautiful book, lovely photographs. Is this all your cooking?
Yes, all mine.
So we've come today to experience some of your wonderful food. Thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to it. It's very exciting. I'm saying this is a place I've wanted to come for a long time. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, look at this.
These are like traditional diyas where they like put in oil and a wick, cotton wick, and they light it for lighting.
Hello, namaskara. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Are you from Mysore or outside?
From Mysuru.
Mysuru. Nice to meet you.
With it? This slowly.
Slowly.
Meat doesn't care.
Thank you. Ah, good idea. Just break the spine a little bit. Little salt. What is this one?
Pickle.
Pickle. It's a mango pickle? Mango pickle, okay.
This is the salad, cucumber,
Cucumber?
coconut,
Cucumber and coconut mixed. Ah, okay, nice. And this one?
Gugrika.
Bugarika. That's pachari, that's curd with banana. Oh, this is the banana.
with the sugar in it.
Oh, okay.
Pineapple with
This one's pineapple. Oh?
pineapple. This is vangi made of eggplant and rice.
Okay. And the name?
Vangi
Wangibat.
Made from banana, jaggery,
Banana and jaggery, so a little sweet.
and coconut.
So this is a dessert. Papat?
Yeah, papas.
Hapala in Canada.
Canada.
Hapula.
Happala.
Hapala.
They've added spices inside the flour, so it's a masala type of papad where there's like cardamom in it.
So there's some spice
Yes,
inside the
yes,
papat.
yes.
Is there an order to the eating?
So basically, you eat in the order that they serve in. So as soon whenever they're putting it, you start eating it.
So start with a mouthful of salt.
We start with sweet.
You start with sweet.
Yes.
Usually it'll be paisa or something, but yeah, now it's this thing. so
Okay,
it
I'm
starts.
happy to try. So we'll try a little bit of everything, right? Have a little flavor, and then there'll be some rice or not
It'll
rice.
come, it'll come,
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we can start to mix things and
Yeah,
play.
yeah.
Okay, would that be the correct way?
Yes. Yeah.
Because I know I got told off because I was mixing everything too soon. It's okay. I can start.
I can see it now.
Thank you. Oh, I'll wait.
You want two or one?
Two, please.
ಎರಡು ಹಾಕಮ್ಮ.
Beautiful and soft. Thank you. What is this one?
Here gojju.
Yeah,
Good
it's a
joke.
gourd. It's
Gourd, like
yeah,
the
yeah.
For chapati.
with the stripes, the gourd with the
Yeah,
stripes.
yeah.
Yeah, that's fascinating. Thank you.
Okay.
Dhanyavada.
You can have.
Thank you. So I'm going to start with this sweet banana.
Start with sweet.
Oh,
Then sir ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆನಾ ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ ಏನು?
it's
So?
cinnamon and
Yep, there is a little bit of cinnamon in it.
cinnamon and cardamom.
Okay, I'll tell
Uh-huh.
you.
Yeah, cinnamon, cardamom, jaggery,
Jaggery.
And coconut shavings.
and coconut.
Coconut.
Wow, delicious. Delicious.
So we have two options for the sweet. One is Mysore pak and one is the holige. That is the sweet chapati with stuffed with lents in it. So I've told them to get both of them.
Oh,
So get
okay.
that stuff.
Okay. That's delicious.
Mm.
So do we eat all that now or
You can save it up for later. So
I'll have a little bit more. Yeah, that's delicious. Little heat, but very light.
yep, it's good.
Is coconut in here also?
There is coconut in it. I mean, most of the Indian food or South Indian food will have coconut in one of the forms in it.
Okay. I want to try this.
Try it, yes.
And this one is cucumber.
Cucumber, coconut, and then horse gram, I guess, or the little gram. So, moong dal. Moong dal.
Moong dal, the yellow dal.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, delicious. It's.
Rice or chapati?
I want to try this papad actually. So let's try, because you say it has masala inside, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's quite crisp. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's denser. It's almost like a rice cracker.
It's a rice cracker.
Yeah,
It's a rice cracker.
almost like the
Yeah.
Chinese style rice crackers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we go with the rice.
Yep. Let's go.
Now, what flavors have we got? Well, let's see. I'll try.
Try it. It's beautiful. It's not too spicy. It's good. Has that brinjal taste in it.
That's really nice. Coconut again. Okay, I want to try this chapati. Put these two together.
Yeah.
So this is the god palia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's really fresh. Right? It's so fresh.
That is gorgeous. Very fresh, warm. Now the chapati is quite. So this is an atta flour. This is quite a dense
Yeah.
chapati.
This is made from wheat flour, so basic chapati.
Would we eat with this also or not really? This is a curd, probably with coconut. No, we haven't tried this.
Oh yeah, for the pineapple.
Tell me off if I'm going wrong. Can I have this with the bread?
Have
with
it. It's
chapati?
okay. I mean, it'll be too sweet, but yeah, sweet and tangy,
So probably not.
maybe.
Oh wow. That is really nice. You like that, Michelle? Sweet tamarind, sort of like a.
Yeah, and the pineapple.
sour.
Pineapple pieces are there, the pulp.
Ah, it's pineapple,
Yeah,
of course.
Yes.
Of course. That's delicious. What's the name of this one?
That's the pineapple gojju, right? Pineapple gojju.
That's so good. Okay, I'm gonna have a little bit of this curd.
Let's go. Good. Yeah.
Good curd.
Yeah.
There's a flavor in here. Ah, it's cumin seed. That's nice.
You like it?
I like it a lot.
What about the pickle? You never tasted the pickle?
Oh, okay. This pickle, the mango pickle.
And the pickle is supposed to have it with the rice.
Are we having white rice or?
We are having white rice. We can wait for the white rice.
Okay, let me just try the pickle anyway. Oh wow,
Just nice kick.
nice, beautiful sour. And if you want a little salt, you just dip, take a little
It
salt.
depends on your taste. So yeah.
Now, correct me if my hands are wrong or the technique is not. It's okay.
Just think that he lifts his elbow a little bit.
I got into.
Better if they don't correct you, then people come in and tell you off.
Okay. That one's for the trolls. I try, and I enjoy even with my hands. So
It's good. It's good. What to do? Yeah, now see, you got it right. You got it right now.
this is gorgeous,
The pineapple is really good.
really good.
Little chunks of it. That's really good.
This cucumber with, let me go.
Everything.
I probably put this as my number one, and everything else is fantastic. So if you were scoring, this would be my. But I have a sweet tooth, so that's.
What about this one?
This is really nice, but we're saving this to the last, right? This one's a little bit like when we make banana crumble. So if you were making this and you put a crumble on top, which is like a sweet pastry with a little sugar, and you could bake it into a little cake,
Right. Yes.
it would be so good. And my eyes are bigger than my belly because you want 2 chapatis? Yes. And I'm thinking, I didn't need 2 chapatis, but
Yeah, it's okay.
what is your favorite?
Oh, I like the chapati and the palya. That's beautiful.
Really good combination, yeah?
Yeah.
So tell me a little more about some of the traditions of eating with the banana leaf.
Oh no.
Maybe things that you take for granted that we don't know.
So yeah, most of the traditional foods here, everywhere, any ceremonies and all, they serve banana leaf meals. Okay, that is like stand it here, so everybody, if there's a marriage, there's anything, so the food will be on a banana leaf. So they'll make people sit in a table, long table. They'll serve it on a banana leaf. So one thing is because there's like banana is available, banana trees are available here, so lots of abundant leaves here.
Yes.
So instead of a plate, they use that because I think this is more healthier and traditional. Easy to dispose of it, so there's no pollution. So you can just it will be manure at the end.
The order of eating, it doesn't matter, or there is some.
So whenever there's a like a marriage or something, so people sit in a row and it's too much, like little bit, lots of people coming in, going out.
Right.
So they prefer this thing because so they'll as and when they start serving you, people start eating it. So as and when they go, the plate gets empty and new things come in.
Right.
There'll be no room for the whole plate. You can like thing like so. As and when it gets over, new things come in. You eat, so you can eat faster, and then a new batch of people can come in and eat. So it's easy to clear off the table too. So they just take out the leaves and keep it off. So
And do you fold the leaf at the end? Fold the leaf away or fold the leaf towards you? Is that not?
Really.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
yeah,
Don't.
yeah.
I think in Kerala this seems to be a. Oh, beautiful.
Ji sir,
Yes, please. Tupa.
simple.
Yeah. No, this is okay. Yes, thank you. Mysore pack.
Ji sir,
Okay.
sweet sir.
Thank you.
Wow.
So this is Mysore Pak and this is Holige.
Holige.
Holige. Yes.
Holige.
Yes. I think
Made
you'll
from
love this thing.
made from dal.
And can we eat now or we should, while it's hot?
Yes. You should eat it while it's hot.
Too hot?
Yes.
That is very hot.
Yeah. Let it cool down for a
Well, let it cool down, shall we?
Yeah.
Are you struggling also?
Yeah. It's very hot.
I think because the sugar's in here, they get super hot.
And they just make it so
Yeah, this is fresh, very fresh.
careful. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Still, I love the sweet. This is a very traditional sweet here, so
Yeah, with the tupa or
Yeah,
tupa,
tupa on
tupa, the ghee
yeah.
on
It
top.
brings out the flavor of this thing.
Let's try the Mysore pack. Okay. That's good Mysore pack. So what are the flavors in here then? It's interesting. It's sort of. Is there a dal inside?
Yeah, dal. They cook it with the sugar and until it becomes like this. Okay, all fudgy. The outside is maida, so normal chapati they make it. Then they take this sweet the dal batter, keep it in, then roll it over, so it gets filled inside.
So it's very rich.
Yeah.
A lot of oil, and they put extra ghee on top also.
Yeah.
It's very rich.
Whenever
Right?
it's hot, it's really good.
It tastes a little coconut.
I don't think. I mean, not.
Yeah, but you can't taste anything.
We'll finish the debate with them.
We will,
Yes.
because I taste a little coconut.
I am with
But I think it's from the other dishes, like any of the other dishes there. That might be the culprit. So.
How come your plate looks so
meat.
neat?
I'm just used to eating it, maybe that's why.
Mine looks. Have you see down here, Michelle? Get a. His looks like he's just started, right? It's beautiful. It's all organized. Everything's tidy. Mine is just like somebody's skateboarded across the.
But this does bring out the flavor when you mix all the things up. It does bring out a unique flavor. So.
ಹೋಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Kai haake haktane.
Did we win?
Our ginger friend.
Did we win again?
Yes.
Thank you. Then you better. We could taste coconut a little bit. It's beautiful. What do
trying to make it more
you
interesting.
say? What do you say? Sorry. Sorry.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕಾಯಿ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಯಿರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಯಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಳೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay, so rice you would put and kind of bring everything together, almost clean the plate with the rice.
Almost you mix everything with the rice.
Yeah.
Right.
So there's gonna be sambar and rasam. Then maybe if you want optionally there's curd rice at the end. You can mix up that thing too.
Okay. I'm just going to have a little more of this coconut.
It's
It's what?
It's made of little bit of coconut, little coconut. Okay, mostly dal in it. Little bit of coconut.
Tiny bit of dal, mostly coconut.
No, it's the other way around.
Are you guys hungry?
Very much. With all the debates that are going on.
It's worth every wait. Don't worry.
ರೈಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏತಿ ತಂಬುಳಿ
Okay. ನಂಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿ.
Just a little. That's okay. Sulpa.
ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಕ
ಸಾಕು. This will be
ಸರ್
interesting.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ
Okay, this is like curd and onion,
ಮೇತಿ ತಂಬುಳಿ
methi,
ಮೇತಿ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಸರ್
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ
and chili.
ಸಾಲ್ಟ್
Thank you. And a little of the banana.
ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್
ನಂಗೇನ್ ಬೇಡ
ಬೇಡ್ವಾ?
ಸಾಕು.
Right, I'm mixing.
Sit up. You can even have it with the pickle also. Pickle, the papad, anything.
Yeah, a little pickle. Yeah, everything this side is sweet now. You guys should order now, I think.
Cleaning in process.
Cleaning in process. Oh yeah, I've done quite well. Is it a race? Now I'm doing the typical Western thing, we save the dessert till last. So just when I got my
Plate clean.
plate clean, thank you, tuppa, little ghee.
ಹೌದು. ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಕು.
Are you not having?
I'm done.
ನೀವು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ರಸಂ ಬೇಡ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ.
ರಸಂ ಬೇಕಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ ಸಾಕು.
It's cheating. It's filled my beautiful clean plate.
So this is sambar with vegetables in it. It has beans, drumstick, and tomato and normal sambar.
That's delicious. Yeah, that's nice. And this one here is
Is rasam. It's like clear water with lots of spices in it.
okay.
It'll be a little bit spicy and tangy.
That was amazing. Thank you, Sandhya. That was most delicious. Thank you.
Okay.
That was
Oh, one more thing I want to share with you. We are selling our powders also.
oh okay.
Yeah, you can see there is a layer here. You can
Just-
see, and we have a thank you so much. And we have a small store inside. Please go and
Have a look.
see it.
Okay, we will have a look. I'm going to try this. And thank you for your hospitality. It's been a beautiful experience. I hope we come back. Thank you. Enjoy. The food was beautiful. Your staff are wonderful.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. And I've learned a lot of things and tried some new foods. Thank you.
so much.
Thank you for having us.
Okay.
Thank you for your food.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Dhanivada. Thank you.
Thank you.
Practice with me. Just the last words, right? I have to have a mnemonic. If I don't have a mnemonic, I'm never going to get it.
Ban.
Ban,
DD.
DD,
V.
DDV.
Ban DDV. Ban DDV.
So a band called DDV.
Yeah. Ban DDV.
Okay. So, and it's after Sandhya's house, Gay Ban DDV. Okay. Okay. Take 40. Hi, and a huge welcome. Namaskara, Sandhya's house, Ban Gay DDV.
A few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay,
Gay,
you don't have to.
okay, quick. Gay
Leave the
Ban
lights on, the
DDV.
door unlocked. If you
Gay
drop
Ban
on by, you
DDV.
don't have to
So
know.
take that,
We're happy to
stick it
share
on the other end of this one, make it look good. Gay Ban DDV. Namaskara, Sandhya's house, Gay Ban DDV. Okay.